Tobarto friends, welcome me Bastio me Vorine Madana because you clicked at the right time and at the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well guys, today Apple launched its new operating system, which is iOS 26, right? I updated this device, right? And here it is. As you can see, iOS 26 installed. This device, well, is one of the newest that can indeed have that update, and I will try to do it using the QPE method. But first, I will show you that indeed the device is locked. Yes, I will show you that the device is locked to any carrier, meaning it cannot use another carrier, another operator. Yes, and it has to give me a lock message, which confirms what I just mentioned. I will try again to corroborate that. Indeed, it is what I am saying, and there it is, right? As you can see, I cannot use another SIM card from another carrier, and well, it is not unlocked. Let's try to do what is the QPE method. Yes. Okay. Let's leave this here and I'll leave this over here. Now then, the first thing we have to do is scan a QR code to take us to a profile that we need to install, right? And here, as you can see, here is the profile. You have to click allow, right? Done. The profile is now ready, right? So now we're going to go to settings, and here in settings we're going to click where the downloaded profile is. Okay, and we are going to install the eSIM. Done. It's already installed. As you can see, it's indeed installed. Okay, and now, well, let's go to general information, and here in device information we are going to go down here. As it says, a trusted certificate, some things. Here is the eSIM. We will have it as a trusted certificate. Done. All right, now that we have done this, let's go to the Wi-Fi network, and here in the Wi-Fi network we are going to configure what is the next. We are going to enter our connected Wi-Fi network. We will tap the I sign. And here at the I sign, we are going to go down to where the proxy is. We enter here. We are going to set it, well, in the configuration, in manual, right? We set this to manual, and we are going to put here what is, well, the server. Let's write the following address here: QPE simhub.cn. Ready? QPE simhub.cn. And we are going to set a connection port, which in this case will be 12301. There it is, 12301. We save it. All set. We already did that step. Yes, now we are going to take a step to verify that what we have done is correct, so it won't give us any errors.
this is what this QR code I have here is for. I'm going to the camera app again. I'm going to scan it. I'll just wait because what I'm doing here is to verify if the procedure as I'm doing it is correct. Here it is in green. As you can see, there it is in green. If it appeared in red for me, it would mean that the method, well, I'm doing it wrong, but it's telling me that everything is fine, so we skip that step, right? Alright, so now we have to enter what is cellular network. We go to settings, cellular network, right? Let's configure, wait, let me see, cellular network. Configure cellular network. Let's go in here. Okay. Let's wait for it to move from here, from this window. Let's wait for this window to pass. I don't like that, it's taking too long. Okay, here we are going to. Here we are going to use the QR code, okay, where we have the eSIM, because we need to buy an eSIM. We have to buy it, okay. Let's go here on the device to scan it. Let's place the eSIM. Yes. Let's see if it allows it. It is currently installing the RSIM. Yes, this takes well, a little bit of time to do this step. Let's give it a chance. Done. There it is. From here, see, it sounds I can activate the eSIM, right? Ready. Now it shows activating. It shows activating here. We need to wait another moment. Okay, let's wait for the eSIM to do its job. All right. Remember that this method only works from the iPhone 12, right? This method does not work on iPhone 11 and below. It doesn't work, okay? Just to be clear, this method only works from iPhone 12 onwards. It only works on those models, right? So Notachi, if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions, inquiries, comments below the video, and I will gladly answer them, okay? To be able to help, right? And if possible, bila subscribe to my channel, activate the bell so you know when there's a new video, right? And give it a like, a big like, okay? To reach more people, you know, who need help with these methods, right? So this is taking a bit long, right? It's totally this well normal for those things, well, to happen, right? Remember that we are activating, well, this in iOS 26, right? Because that is the most new iOS that Apple, well, just presented, right? And so this takes, Well, it's time, doesn't it? What I suggest is that you have a good internet, okay, to activate it. A Wi-Fi network with a good internet provider so you can do this method without any problem, right? So you just have to wait, and that's it, done. Here it already gives me the message that the eSIM is now activated. Perfect. All right, so now, well, yeah, well, after doing this, it's time to delete the installation profile, right? Let's delete well, that profile. Let's see if I remember where I was. Let's see if I remember where I was. Here, information, I think it was. Trusted certificate configuration. We go in here, trusted certificate, and we're going to remove this.
Let's see. Yes, let's remove this.
Yes, and now the Wi-Fi network. Here we have to remove the proxy. We go back to the information icon. Let's go to configure proxy and leave it here as disabled. We click here to save and perfect, right? Now here, well, we already removed that part, right? Well, as you can see here, I'm going to focus it very well. Here I see like two bars, right? Indicating to me that there are two SIMs in my device, okay? So now I'm going to use what is an RSIM MKS Ultra or a Turbo SIM MKS Ultra. I'm going to install it in the tray. Program the device. So as you can see here with it, it occurs like I'm going to install the SIM card that I want to put in the device. There it is. Perfect. Now I put it in the slot. I already inserted the tray. Let's wait for the menu to appear. Okay, and here we have to choose the QPE method. Yes, here is the QPE method, and the original carrier of the device in this case is the mobile. We configure it, and that's it right here. Well, we already did that steps, right? Now we have to enter cellular network. Yes, here it seems activating.
Yes?
Here it shows activating. Let's wait and see what happens. Yes, we have to wait. We have to wait here, or I have to enter. No, not yet.
Let's wait a moment.
Let's see here. No, I think let's wait.
Let's wait. Okay, let's go in again, okay.
Nothing shows up here. Here it does. Okay.
Okay, activated the. Okay, here it shows up for me twice. Okay, let's see. Here.
On the sale plan here, let's see here. In the second, we have to enter here in the second. That here we are going to put a label in the second. 1 second we are going to put here do not delete this one, do not delete.
Perfect.
And here we are going to make the necessary configurations. We are going to turn off the Wi-Fi. Done. Now here we have to the data. Okay, allow me. Let's see if I'm seeing everything correctly here. Okay. Breaking data, it's activated. Okay. Let's see.
Okay, so hear me. Okay, it's just that.
I don't know why it doesn't pick up the data. Why aren't my data working? Why? Okay, there we are. Let's see what else I have to do. I think that's all right. No, then we are going to do something, but I don't know why. I don't understand something. Okay. Not anymore. Here the other line is active. But I don't understand something. Okay, here they are. Here we are. But there's something I don't understand. I don't know if it's because I don't know if it's because it should be. I don't know what's happening, but oh well.
I don't know honestly what happened, but let's try to see if
It works. It's working now. Yes, it's already working here, but the only thing is it's on 3G and it shouldn't be on 3G working well the speed, right? So let's go to where we are here. Let's put it in LTE. I don't know why, but it's only on LTE. Why? I don't know why it's on LTE. Why is it on LTE? Here it is. Now it is. Let's see if it improved now. Let's go to end enter the page apple.com. Guys, this is the first time I'm installing the SIM, but as you could see, previously it wasn't working, right? But do you know what happened? I just had to turn the device off and on for everything to work normally on the device. As you can see, I'm already browsing here on the internet. I already have navigation. Here is the signal. The one below is the eSIM. And the one above is the physical SIM card. Yes, here I am going to show you that they are here. Here are the two with the two SIM cards. Yes, here is the eSIM. And here is the physical one, right? The physical one here, you have to configure everything. You have to activate the line. You have to activate data roaming. And as you can see in SIM applications, here is what is the turbo SIM. Right, here is the turbo SIM, as you can see. So you can see I'm not lying to you. There it is.
Yes, and here.
In this one, you have to label it, right, on the eSIM and put a label so you don't delete it, right, so you don't remove it. And here, well, you don't have to activate anything, right? You have to leave it just as it is. And as you can see, the QPE method already worked on this iPhone, right? Being on iOS version 26.